A shop sells old videotapes of which 1 in 5 on average are known to be damaged. See man, how do I make the given sentence to a useful information is in this way. He said damaged are 1 in 5. So 1 by 5 is nothing but your probability of damaged goods. Clear? In this way I convert the statement into useful information. So 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2, let us say. Now, find the smallest value of n. So we need to find n. If there is a probability of at least 0.85, see man, he said probability at least, that means greater than or equal to 0.85. Till here is what he meant, till here the statement. Now let's continue. That a random sample of n tapes contain at least one damaged tape. This condition will come over here. And how do I represent at least one damaged tape means? At least one means one or more than one. So mathematically I represent it in this way. So this is given, we need to find n, and this is given. Clear? Now, see man, I should get the idea of using binomial distribution, and the formula for binomial distribution is this one. See, NCR p power r 1 minus p power n minus r. Here we should know the value of n, r and p. N is not given, we have to find out. P value is 0.2. Now let us decide the values for r. Here r is greater than or equal to 1. So it will start from 1, 2, 3, so on, goes on till n. So I don't know n, so I cannot say how many values will r take. But I can be sure that for r I get many values. So to decrease the values for r, I will do this step, and that is, see here, 1 minus p of, whenever you are doing 1 minus, in the bracket write opposite of this condition. Here r greater than or equal to 1, here make it less than 1. Here you have equal to, here do not put equal to. Clear? Is greater than or equal to 0.85. Now, all the numbers one side and this I shifted to the other side. So I get 1 minus 0.85 greater than or equal to. Here it is negative, when it shifts it becomes positive. So now 1 minus 0.85 is 0.15 greater than or equal to. Now decide how many values will r take. R less than 1 means only one value now r take, that is 0. So this will become p of 0. Now 0.15 greater than or equal to. Now r equal to 0, replace it in this. Okay. N we don't know, we get NC 0 and P is 0.2, power R is 0 into 1 minus 0.2 power N minus 0. Clear so far? Next. So 0.15 greater than or equal to. You should keep it in mind man, NC0 is 1. Always NC0 is 1, even NCN is also 1. Okay, now anything power 0 is also 1. So we are left with 1 into 1, this is gone, so we are left with 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. N minus 0 is N. So from here we need to get the value for n. See man, you can get the value for n by trial and error, or else see here, or else I use logarithms in this way. The power will remain log, here 0.8 is the base, for the log also base will be the same, and the number will come over here 0.15. So put this in the calculator, you get around 8.5. Okay, now you need to decide whether it will be 8 or will it be 9. How do you decide? By replacing them in this. So when I replace 8, check 0.15, is it greater than or equal to 0.8 power 8? This value, I didn't get less than 0.15, so this is rejected. So automatically accept when n is 9. So we found the value for n. Clear? If logarithms you feel confusing, go with random trial and error. Clear with this?